Welcome to Zoological World. Today we are discuss about Jackaby. Even for a dog, the Jackaby has an incredible sense of smell that it inherited from its fox hunting parents. The Jackaby is a spunky, hard-working, and upbeat little mix with almost endless reserves of energy. It is produced from a cross between a Jack Russell or Russell Terrier and a Beagle. The Jack Russell Terrier is a curious and lively terrier that was developed in the 19th century for the purpose of fox hunting, a very popular pastime among the English upper class at the time. The Beagle is a fun-loving, happy-go-lucky packhound that originated centuries ago to hunt smaller game animals. While on the hunt, the terrier and hound actually had complementary roles. The terrier would chase the fox out of its den, and the hound would hunt it down and trap it. As with any crossbreed, the Jackaby will not inherit traits in equal proportion to its parents. Instead, it can inherit traits in many different combinations and arrangements. Most dogs will usually have the body of a Jack Russell and the head of a Beagle with muscular hindquarters, long and floppy ears, and a long tail. The thin, coarse, and smooth coat of fur can come in many different variations, including cream with tan spots, white with beige spots, or a combination of tan, brown, and white. Jackaby size and weight. A full-grown Jackaby is a small dog with an athletic frame. Males tend to be slightly larger on average, but both sexes can grow to about the same size. Jackaby common health issues. Just like its two parent breeds, the Jackaby is unfortunately prone to many debilitating conditions, including deafness, anemia, glaucoma, cataracts, ear infections, narcolepsy, hypothyroidism, epilepsy, dwarfism, and cancer. It also has the tendency to suffer from a few developmental or degenerative disorders, including hip dysplasia, a dislocating hip socket, which can cause lameness, luxating patellas, a dislocating knee, leg-calve-Perthes disease, a degenerative hip, and intervertebral disc disease, a spinal problem that may cause pain and paralysis. Another problem you need to look out for is von Willebrand's disease, which causes excessive bleeding from an insufficient level of clotting proteins in the blood. Potential owners should never neglect the health of their new dogs. Always try to buy from a reputable breeder who screens for health problems and follow up with your vet on a regular basis to catch potential health problems as early as possible. Despite the severity of some conditions, the Jackaby can still live some 10 to 15 high-quality years. In summation, these are the most common health problems that afflict this hybrid dog: deafness, ear infections, cataracts, glaucoma, cancer. How to take care of the Jackaby. Despite its small size, the Jackaby is by no means an easy dog to care for. It needs the same amount of exercise as a dog almost twice its size. Nevertheless, this can be a good choice for both novice and experienced owners, thanks in part to the ease with which it can be trained. If you need more information about the particular details of your dog's care, then you should consult with your vet. Jackaby maintenance and grooming. The typical Jackaby should have a hypoallergenic coat that needs to be groomed about once a week with a simple slicker brush and comb to remove some of the loose or dead hair. In order to maintain proper hygiene, you should clean out the ears with cotton and brush the teeth with a canine-specific paste on a regular basis. Baths should be given about once a month to keep this dog free of dirt and grime. Jackaby training. The Jackaby's inquisitive, intelligent, and hard-working nature should serve it well throughout the entire training process. This mix is eager to learn and follow human commands. However, because of its keen sense of smell, the Jackaby is constantly bombarded by distractions. Owners will therefore need to exercise plenty of time and patience with this mix. You should also consider holding your training sessions in an environment with minimal stimulations. Positive reinforcement methods such as treats and praise should also work very well to induce your dog to follow your commands. If you are struggling with the entire training process, you might want to enlist the help of a professional trainer. Jackaby exercise. The Jackaby is an energetic and high-spun dog that needs some 60 to 90 minutes of exercise every single day, equivalent to around 10 or 11 miles every week, to satisfy its need for physical stimulation. This dog will enjoy long walks, runs, playtimes, games, sports, and earth dog activity challenges that really allow the Jackaby to flex its considerable hunting talents. It should do very well with a fenced yard in which it can roam around freely and play, But owners will need to keep an eye on this little escape artist since it has the tendency to dig under or jump over fences.